Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to start 12th Commerce. Okay, 12th Commerce. We already discussed the 4 chapters. We already have completed 4 chapters. Okay, now I am going to start chapter 5, that is capital market. Okay, so in this chapter we have divided 3 ways. One is financial market, capital market, money market. Okay, this chapter, in this unit we have divided 3 chapters. One is financial market, another one is capital market, another is money market. This chapter என்ன பார்த்தோம் நம்ம last video என்ன பார்த்தோம் financial market, that is financial market என்ன பார்த்தோம் types பார்த்தோம். Okay, type structure பார்த்தோம், அதனால பேஸ் ஆஃப் structure and base of ownership. Okay, so நிறைய functions பார்த்தோம், scope பார்த்தோம். Okay, so features பார்த்தோம். Okay, so இந்த இதுல other related, that is financial market also related in this the company investments. Okay, that is a capital formation, savings and capital formation. அது பார்த்தோம். அதானே ஒரு கம்பெனியோட கேபிட்டல் சேவிங்ஸ் கூட்டுறது பண்ணி அந்த that is financial market, capital financial market ன மீனிங் பார்த்தோம். In this chapter what do you mean capital market? So the term capital market refers to facilities and institutional arrangement. Facilities and institutional arrangement through what? Which on the basis of long-term funds. The long-term fund means both debt and equity shares. Okay, so the term capital refers to the facilities and institutional arrangement, that is arrangement through which that is long-term fund. That is what is the long-term funds? Both debt and equity shares. Okay, so it refers to the that is the facilities. It refers to the facilities and arrangements. Facilities and arrangement through institutional arrangement, that is institutional arrangement. Arrangement means institutional arrangement. Okay, through what? Which long-term funds. Okay, which long-term funds. What are long-term funds? The long-term funds is debt and equity shares. Debt and equity shares. Okay, so this is the meaning of that is a capital market. Next, the capital market is where the buyers and sellers, buy the shares and selling the shares. Okay, buy the shares and selling the shares. Okay, and increase the company turnover, then increase the financial growth and economic growth. Okay, so this is the way of increasing capital market. Okay, this is the meaning of capital market and increasing company turnover. Okay, so the capital market defined. Okay, the meaning of capital market defined. The market for borrowing and lending. Okay, borrowing and lending. Borrowing and lending. Borrowing and lending. Okay, borrowing and lending of long-term capital. Okay, long-term capital. Long-term capital means that is a debt and equity market. Long-term capital. Long-term. Okay, so the borrowing and lending is long-term capital. Okay, long-term. That is what is called as equity and debt. Okay, so the facilities and arrangement through what? The financial arrangements through long-term funds, that is both debt and equity funds. Okay, so next capital market define that borrowing and lending are long-term capital funds. Okay, so is related to business enterprise. This is related to business enterprise. This is related to business enterprise. Okay, this is called as capital market. So then capital market issuer, merchant capital, merchant banker, then what? Borrow, then the depositors, then borrowers. Okay, this capital consists of merchant bank, issuers, borrowers, depositors. Okay, so this is the then stock exchange. Stock exchange also consists of stock exchange. Okay, the stock exchange only buying and selling. That's a place of buying and selling shares. That's a place of buying and selling shares. Okay, then stock exchange. Okay, then stock exchanges. Okay, so capital market is consist of merchant bank. Merchant bank means the financial institution is called as financial institution. Financial institution that is a banks. Okay, lending banks, borrowing banks. Okay, that is a loan provided to that other persons. Okay, so the merchant bank issuing shares. Then stock exchange, then buying and selling, that is the place of buying and selling shares. Borrowers, that is the borrowing your shares. Okay, deposit your money. Okay, so this is called as the consist of capital market. Okay, next, what are the characteristics of capital market? What are the characteristics of the capital market? So, following this, I am going to explain one by one. Okay, so the following nature and characteristics of capital market. The first one is securities market. Okay, second one is, what is the second character? Price. So price means on the basis of demand and supply. Demand எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, supply எவ்வளவு இருக்கு. So on the basis of demand supply only, they fix a price that determine the price. Okay, that is next one is price. Okay, third one is, what is the third one? Participant. Who are the participants? Participants. Okay, so next one, location. Okay, next one, location. The last one, what is the fifth one? Market for financial asset. Okay, securities market. The first security market is the first characteristics of market. Is a deal. The dealing in a capital market are done through the securities. What is securities? Bonds, shares, debentures. These are securities. Okay. So dealing on the basis of dealing. Okay. On the basis of dealing, that is bonds, shares, debentures. Okay, debentures. Okay, bonds, shares, debentures. These are two bonds, shares, debentures. Okay, so this is the securities market. Dealing of securities market is bonds, shares, debentures. Okay, debentures is one of the bond. This is one of the bond. Okay, one of the bond. Okay, these are the finance assets. Okay, so next, so the particular company wants to share and buying shares and selling shares. The shares and securities is called as bonds, shares, debentures. Okay, debentures means one of the bond. Shares mean and equity shares and preference shares. Equity shares and preference shares. Okay, so next price. The price means price of the securities is determined. The price of the securities is determined on the basis of demand and supply. Okay, so the security price is the security of the price of the market. So the price of the market is determined or based on the basis of that is called as demand and supply. Demand and supply. Okay, demand and supply. Okay, got it? Okay. That is the demand and supply. Demand எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, supply எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் என்னது we have to determine the price of the shares. Okay, next participants. Who are the participants? There are many players. There are many players in the capital market. There are many players in the capital market. Who are the capital market? Who are the participants? The participants of the capital market is the government sectors, then government banks. Okay, so corporate companies, individuals. So these are the participants. These participants, these are the main players in the capital market. Who are the players? Who are the participants? One is government banks. Another one is government sectors. Government sector, industry sector, that is the agriculture sector, industry sector, automobile sector. Okay, these are the sectors. Okay, then science related, then technology related, the science related sectors. That is the transport sectors. Okay, so these are the sectors. They are participating in capital market. Okay, so the first one is individual. The individual also participate. Then government sectors also participate. Then government banks also participate. Okay, corporate companies also participate. Corporate company means there's a lot of, for example, the Wings companies, that is Nokia companies. Okay, so in lot of Bajaj companies. Okay, so that is Bajaj Suzuki companies. These are the companies that participate in capital market. Okay, location. Location means the capital market is not confined. This is a particular location. The location means that the place is situated. The place of the market. The place of the market, that is the stock exchange. Stock exchange. The whole stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. Okay, so is situated. Which is situated? Which is located? The place. This is the place. Okay, you have to confine. You have to identify. Okay, you have to select in the area. Mother stock exchange. Other is a brokerage companies. That is trading companies. Okay, share trading companies. Madras that is Madras ஒரு stocks trading companies இருக்கும். மும்பைல பாத்தீங்கன்னா that is Bombay Stock Exchange. That is the National Stock Exchange in Delhi. Okay, so this is showing the trading of companies, trading of shares. Okay, the showing. Okay, so that is the light telecast. Okay, so that is the location of the capital market. Next one, market for financial assets. Financial assets are financial market. Financial assets. Financial assets. Market for financial assets is a transaction. Is one of the transaction. The place transaction of your shares. Transaction of is one of the platform you are transacting your shares. Is one of the platform. Okay, market financial assets. Okay, in case financial assets, shares and buying a shares and shares bond debentures. When you are going to buying shares. Okay, so this is the capital market. This is area you have to buying and selling shares. Okay, so this is another platform. On a platform you have to transaction your shares. Okay, so securities market, price, participant price, securities market means bonds, shares, debentures. Okay, next dealing of, this is dealing of bonds, shares, debentures. Next price on the basis of demand supply. Participants means government sectors, government banks, individuals, corporate companies. Okay, these are the participants. Location means on the basis of, that's a place. It is situated. That's a for example, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. It's a place. It's a platform of, that is a buying and selling your shares. Platform of other. So one of the platform buying and selling for assets, the financial assets, bonds and shares. Okay, this is the characteristics and importance of capital market. Okay, next kinds of, that is the kinds of capital market. Kinds of capital market. Kinds of capital market. One is primary, another one is secondary. Primary. Another one is secondary. Okay, primary market, then secondary market. Primary market. The primary market is, that is a later new issue or shares. New issue. That is a you have to buying and selling shares the first time. You have to selling. That is buying and selling. When the new investors, new share investors, they have to invest in the shares the first time. That is called as primary market. Primary market. Okay. So the primary is one of the new financial client. One of the new financial client. Then also it's also called as new issue market. Okay. The primary market deals with the primary market, which deals those who are buying your securities. Those are buying securities means that is called as bond, share, debentures. Okay. This is the first time new issue. That is a new issue market. It's called as new issue market. New issue market. Okay, new issue market. Okay, so the second already it is already this already. Okay, already. Okay, new issue and second already. Okay, so new issue market. Okay, so dealing of new issue market, new financial clients. Okay, so in the primary borrowers exchange your shares. Borrowers exchange your shares. That is exchange. Borrowers exchange your shares, lending and then lending your shares. Okay, borrower exchange your shares. That is called as new issue market. Okay, next one is that the first one is primary market is, that is the first one is, that is a public issue. The first primary market is public issue. Then second one is right issue. Third one is, what is the third one? That's a private placement. ஒண்ணு இல்லப்பா, இது வந்து என்னது கேபிட்டல் மார்க்கெட் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் எல்லாம் ரிலேட் பண்ணிருக்கு. எல்லாமே bonds, shares, securities இதுதான் ரிலேட் பண்ணிருக்கு. That is no problem. Okay, new issue வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் வாங்குவாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் வந்து எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் பண்றீங்க shares வாங்குறீங்க. Okay, இது செகண்ட் தான் ஆல்ரெடி வாங்குது. Okay, this is the kinds of capital market. Okay, so first one public issue, private issue. What is a public issue? That is the initial public offering. The initial means the first time. The most common method of raising capital. The raising capital, this means you have to buy and you got to buy the shares. Okay, the raising capital. This is a raising capital. Okay, raising capital one of the new method, and you have to raising your capital. That is a right public issue. Right issue means those who want to raise additional capital. Those who want to raise raising capital. This is additional capital. The additional capital means that is called a right issue. Okay, right. The first there is a first on the existing share. You have to buy share. You have to buy existing share. That is called right issue. They are going to raise additional capital. You have to exchange your existing shares. That is called a right issue. Private placement of the place of buying and selling and shares. Okay, way of selling and place of buying and selling and shares. Okay, private placement. Okay, secondary market, then you have already issued. If you want to buy or exchange or there is the existing share, buying and selling, that is the existing share, that is called as secondary market. Okay, I hope you are very understanding about this capital market. Okay, so what is capital market? The capital market is one of the buying and selling shares and arrangement of your capital. Okay, the raising your capital.
raising capital of your capital market is, that is called right public issue. When you are going to raise your capital, that is called capital market is a public issue. What do you mean right issue? Right issue means when you are going to additional capital, raise your additional capital, you have to exchange your existing shares. Already issue பண்ண existing shares நீங்க exchange பண்றீங்க. அது என்ன share என்ன issue? Right issue. Okay. Then secondary பார்க்கலாம். இதுதான் நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தது. Okay, meaning பார்த்தோம், then importance பார்த்தோம். என்ன பார்த்தோம்? category என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Securities market, then location, then price. Okay, so market of financial assets. இதெல்லாம் இதுல பார்த்தோம். Okay, so thanks for listening my video. Thank you so much.